Hello everyone, my name is Lee Seung Yo. Today I will talk about how to make good friends. Listen carefully. I have some really good friends. They hang out with me when I'm bored or lonely, and they're there for me when I need help. We study together, go to school together, go through similar difficulties, and celebrate together when we overcome our problems. That's why making friends is so important. At school, it's hard to find the right friends. So many students won't be cool or popular, and look what they consider is the most important, their character. That's why you should always look at someone's character first before you should decide if you want to be their friend or not. Of course, this isn't easy. You can't just cut open someone's chest and look into their heart. You can learn by watching how do they treat other people. Do they make fun of others or do they say nice things about people? Do they always talk about other people behind their back or do they mind their own business? A good way to make friends is to try new activities. By trying out new hobbies, you can find out what you enjoy doing and meet other people who enjoy the same activity as you. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next star pitcher on the baseball team or the master of the chess club. Another way to make good friends is by inviting them to your house. That way, you can see what they're like all the way from school. Maybe the kid who never talks likes to talk a lot when he's not at school. You never know until you meet them outside of school, right? Another way to tell if they're good friends or not is to see how they treat your parents. Are they respectful? Do they say thank you and please? Or how do they treat your pet dog? If someone is gentle toward your pet, that usually means the person has a good heart. Friends are always important and get us through many difficult times. Whether you're young, old, or somewhere in between, friends are always important throughout our lives. Thank you for your listening.